Here we can see the two different types of blood vessels that can be found in the body. We have arteries up here on the top, we have veins down here on the bottom. Arteries are going to carry blood away from the heart, and veins are going to carry blood towards the heart. And the arteries and veins are made up of different layers, and they have some key anatomical differences. So if we zoom in here, we can see the lumen, the opening of the tube or the hole in the tube of the artery, and then surrounding that lumen is the endothelium or the epithelium that surrounds that open tube. So this is the endothelium. And then we have this layer of connective tissue here known as the subendothelium, and then this internal elastic connective tissue layer. So these three layers right here make up something known as the tunica intima. Tunica intima. Then you have this band of smooth muscle, and this band of smooth muscle is going to make up what we call the tunica media. And then you have another band of elastic connective tissue. This is the external elastic membrane. And then you have a thick band of connective tissue known as the serosa. So the external elastic membrane and the serosa make up the tunica externa. So you have tunica externa, tunica media, and then tunica intima. If we look at our vein here, we see similar layers. We have the endothelium, the subendothelial layer, internal elastic membrane, and then we have the band of smooth muscle and then our serosa. But notice that in our vein, that band of smooth muscle, that tunica media, is much thinner than it is inside of the artery. The other thing that we're going to notice if we zoom in here to our veins is that our veins have these valves, and these prevent backflow in the venous system. So these create one unidirectional flow. So this blood flow would be from here this direction, right? And so this valve shaped like this would prevent backflow into that vein. Now you know. Later.